Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Mal if you're new here, and we are doing a wig review today. I'm excited for this one because finally I got the bob. Anyway, this wig is from Luvme Hair. I'm super excited to be trying this unit because I've had a bob from them in the past, but that was like 2 years ago. Now with Luvme Hair, I feel like they have a lot of really high quality, affordable units, but they also have a lot of different styles. And if you're looking for something that's completely pre-done, that you don't have to do anything to, then the PreMax line is going to be perfect for you. And that's why I went with this one, because I'm not trying to do anything to this wig. I just want to be able to put it on my head, maybe use a little mousse and be done. And I actually genuinely have somewhere to be. I'm going to leave in 25 minutes. So let's see if I can do this fast enough to go to my Pilates class. I may or may not wear this wig while I'm doing the Pilates. I don't know. I think I should, right? I should give it a real test. Let's go ahead and unbox this wig. This is the PreMax wig. It's meant to be a super natural hairline. Let's take a look at this hairline. Oh, that's gorgeous. The hairline looks really good. This is a natural hairline silky blunt cut bob. It's glueless. And it's 13 by 4 lace. So we have a pretty good lace circumference here at the front. This is of course human hair, and it has a few combs in here. It has that really nice breathable cap that we always see with Luvme. There's some combs at the sides, here, and then we have an adjustable band at the back. Oh, she's short. Oh, this is cute. I can't wait to put this on. You guys can see my hair is quite long right now. So I'm gonna try to hide this under this wig, but she looks good. I do think I wanna do some lace tint. I'm looking at the lace and I feel like that is gonna be necessary just to kind of make it tint with my skin tone. And then we're just gonna go ahead and put it on and do a little mousse and see how we look with the bob. I'm so excited. I haven't had a bob hairstyle in a really long time. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig caps on. I obviously don't have the flattest of hair. It's not perfect, but it works. I do feel like I'm definitely gonna need this lace tint, so let me not forget this part because I think this part is important. This one's light warm brown and the even lace tint. I'm not even gonna bother let that dry. Let's just go ahead and put it on. Oh my god. Hold on. Wait, she's cute. Okay, this bob is cute. She's cute. Can y'all see that? And we'll just press that in. Oops. God, I hate when I get concealer on my hair. That bothers me. You could use your eyeshadow, eyeliner, whatever you have that's dark and just color back over it. I think I'm just gonna do a really light bit of this because it's hot. It's hot today. This will help it to stay down. And honestly, sometimes I'm lazy. I just do this in the front. I think the main thing too is just making sure that there's no little hairs caught up in that lace. I wouldn't mind if this lace was just a bit more transparent, to be completely honest. I feel like I am seeing it a little bit, but it's still good. Like, this wig was like $100, you guys. It was really affordable. I think a little bit of bronzer will help, just right up here. I feel like that's so much better. Okay, so my thought after wearing this for a few minutes is that, yes, it looks really good. The lace is good. Did it live up to what it said it was gonna do? Yeah, because it came pre-done. Like, you could really just throw this on your head and go. The cut is like perfect too. They cut this wig really nicely. The hair feels silky and nice. Honestly, I don't even really need to be doing this hot comb. The only reason I'm doing it is because my hair is kind of bulky underneath, so I need to make sure every piece is laying super flat. However, I do feel like I've seen better lace from Luvme. I've definitely seen better lace. The lace is not bad, but I've just gotten some of their other units, like the Nature Max line. That lace is so good. This lace is nice, but it's not my favorite. So that's the only thing that I would be aware of with this one. But honestly, she's still really cute. Do you guys think a bob suits me? I will say a bob feels very free. I'm in the car. This is how it looks in the car. What do we think? Just from certain lighting, I'm like, I can kind of see the lace, but like overall, She looks pretty smooth. This is my friend's bridal shower Pilates class, which is such a cute idea, but I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna be late. You know, you just start rushing, and then my kids started coming upstairs, and I was like, get out of here, I'm trying to get ready. Anyway, it's all good. I just looked at the invitation again, and I realized that I always do this to myself. I put that it was a little bit earlier so that I wouldn't be late. Thank God I do that. I really love it when like my day can be spent multi-purpose. Like I did a cute workout class, my hair looked cute, I got my content, now I'm getting pictures. This is like my dream day. So I'm gonna bring this out here. I'm gonna take some pictures in front of this wall. I think nobody's around, but I do think someone's in that truck over there, but do I care? No. Another lace check. So I can see myself on my phone, I can see myself in the camera, and then I just take a picture. I took a bunch of cute pics. Got some really cute Pilates pictures, which I always love. I'm buzzing because I've been drinking this Ube Vietnamese coffee. How cute is this? Lace check. The lace looks really good. Here's what I was thinking. So, I feel like when it comes to a lace wig, my ultimate test is going around people who maybe don't necessarily know me and seeing where their eyes go. And I met everybody new other than the girl who was having the actual bridal shower. Sorry, I'm trying to be in the sun, but let me just be comfortable. Yeah, everybody that I met was new. I had never met them before, and nobody was looking at my wig. Nobody was looking at my hairline. Nobody was trying to clock my lace. You know, you can just tell when someone's like staring at your hairline, like they're just trying to like, is that her hair or not, you know? Nobody was even looking at my hair once. So did it pass the test? Like, could it pass in public? Yes. Nobody asked anything about my hair. Nobody even said anything about my hair, which I think is a really good sign. And this just proves that I would never cut my hair because I can just get a wig that looks so natural and so good, and then I don't ever have to cut it. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. Let me know what you think of this wig, what you think of this unit. Have you tried Luvme bob units before? If you do like this unit, or you want to check out any other Luvme hair units, I have a huge playlist on YouTube with all of my hair videos. I've tried a lot of Luvme units, and I also have a discount code. So you can go to the description bar if you want to do some shopping and get yourself, I think it's 28% off with my discount. So it's a good little deal. I've used my own code buying wigs before, because you'll save like almost $100. It's really good. So let me know what you guys think. What do you want to see next? What other hair companies do you want me to try? Love you.